Hi guys, welcome to Wikividya. I'm Tanya and today I'll be discussing the third chapter from the First Flight book, Two Stories About Flying. If you are new to my channel and would like to check out other chapters from the book, I have an entire playlist created on my channel that includes all those videos. I'll leave a link in the description box. I'll also be discussing the solutions for the previous year questions asked from this chapter later in the video, so make sure to watch till the end. As the name suggests, there are two different short stories in this chapter. The first story is His First Flight and the author is Liam O'Flaherty. एक छोटा सीगल अकेले क्लिफ की साइड में बैठा था। उसके भाई बहन एक दिन पहले ही उड़ गए थे पर उसे उड़ने में डर लग रहा था। He saw the youth sea beneath the cliff and thought that his wings would not support him to fly. उसके ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर के विंग्स उससे छोटे थे, फिर भी वो उड़ गए, but he could not muster the courage to take a leap from the cliff. His parents threatened to leave him on the cliff to starve if he doesn't fly. He was still very scared. उसकी फैमिली कल से उड़ना सीख रही थी, पर कोई उसके पास नहीं आया. He watched his brothers and sister learning how to fly and how to catch fish, but उसने कल से ही कुछ नहीं खाया था. He pretended to sleep, but still किसी ने उस पर ध्यान नहीं दिया. Only his mother was watching him and she was eating a fish. He cried and begged her to bring him some food, but उसकी मदर ने गुस्से में मना कर दिया. वो फिर भी अपनी मदर को बुलाता रहा and after some time he was very excited to see कि वो फिश का एक पीस लेकर उसकी तरफ आ रही है. But when she came, वो बिल्कुल उसके सामने नहीं आई but थोड़ी दूर में रुक गई. He couldn't understand कि वो क्यों वहां रुक गई, but उसे इतनी भूख लग रही थी that he jumped towards the fish. He realized that he was falling down from the cliff and was terrorized. But उससे पहले कि वो कुछ सोच पाता, his wings spread open and he could feel the wind against his feathers. His entire family was flying with him. He was flying over the sea and when he tried to land on the sea, उसके पैर पानी के अंदर जाने लगे. He panicked and tried to flap his wings to fly, but he hadn't eaten anything and वो इतना थक गया था that he could not rise. वो डूबने लगा, but when his stomach touched the water, he did not sink anymore. He started floating on it. His family praised him and offered him some fish to eat. He had made his first flight. The second story from the chapter is The Black Aeroplane, and the author is Frederick Forsyth. The author was flying back to England and was looking forward to being with his family. The sky was clear and आसमान में एक भी बादल नहीं थे. He was flying over Paris and उसने Paris control room से connect करके उन्हें बताया that he is flying to England and उन्होंने फिर उसे directions दिए. वो पेरिस से 150 किलोमीटर दूर आ गया था and अचानक से उसने देखा कि आसमान में बहुत काले बादल आ रहे हैं. उसकी प्लेन में इतना फ्यूल नहीं था कि वो घूम के दूसरी डायरेक्शन से जा सके एंड ही थॉट ऑफ गोइंग बैक टू पेरिस, बट उसे अपनी फैमिली के साथ ब्रेकफास्ट करने का बहुत मन था. सो ही डिसाइडेड टू टेक अ रिस्क एंड फ्लू इनटू द स्टॉर्म. एवरीथिंग वाज सडनली ब्लैक. उसका कंपास और बाकी इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स काम नहीं कर रहे थे एंड ही कुड नॉट इवन कनेक्ट टू द पेरिस कंट्रोल रूम. ही वॉज लॉस्ट इन द स्टॉर्म, बट उसने देखा कि उसके बगल से एक और ब्लैक प्लेन जा रहा है जिसकी लाइट्स ऑन नहीं थी एंड द पायलट आस्क्ड द ऑथर टू फॉलो हिम. वो उस प्लेन के पीछे जाने लगा पर उसकी प्लेन में इतना ही फ्यूल था कि वो बस 5-10 मिनट के लिए ही उड़ सके. कुछ देर बाद वो एरोप्लेन नीचे जाने लगा एंड ऑथर ने देखा कि वहां एक रनवे है. ही लैंडेड द प्लेन एंड लुक्ड फॉर द ब्लैक एरोप्लेन बट इट वॉज नोवेयर टू बी सीन. उसने कंट्रोल रूम में एक लेडी से पूछा कि वो कहाँ है एंड वो दूसरा पायलट कौन था बिकॉज ही वांटेड टू थैंक हिम. बट द लेडी वॉज कंफ्यूज्ड एंड उसने कहा कि स्टॉर्म की वजह से कोई एयरप्लेन्स नहीं उड़ रहे थे एंड हिज प्लेन वॉज द ओनली वन ऑन द रेडार. So who was flying in the storm without the lights and helped the author to land safely without a compass, a radio connection or enough fuel? So that was the summary of this lesson. Let us now look at the previous year question papers. ये बुक सीबीएसई ने लास्ट ईयर ही सिलेबस में इंट्रोड्यूस की है, इसलिए बस एक साल का क्वेश्चन पेपर अवेलेबल है. दैट इज फॉर द ईयर 2020. एंड द क्वेश्चन दैट वाज आस्क्ड वाज द साइट ऑफ द फूड maddened him. What does this suggest? The answer would be The young seagull hadn't eaten anything since the night before and was very hungry. When he saw his mother eating a piece of fish, he grew more hungry and started to scream and beg her to give him some food. And that is all for this lesson, you guys. Stay tuned for the next lesson. I have also provided 2 sets of question papers in the description box below, along with a PDF of the entire book. You can check that out. I'd also love to connect with you through email or Facebook or Instagram. I'll leave all my social media handles in the description box. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And also hit that bell button so you are notified every time I post a new video. Bye.